our life, you know, this a girl and I live no life yet. Sorry, babes, me tell you that straight. Oh, no, you don't live no life, baby girl.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan. Bless up first and foremost. I will on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. So subscribe if for your first time over here, so finna miss out. Alright guys, so this photograph una look on right now is said to be known as Samantha, who was allegedly killed by her baby father at Bodwell district in Mackney area, Clarendon, not far from Keltystone. You see me, guys? People stop and think for a minute. They like, where the world I come to? Jamaica itself, cause that girl barely past 18, 19, I swear, cause her baby father around 20 flat. So you know it's a young relationship end of the day, and even the local road gone bad already, cause me know growing up them something for years say a man go commit them kind of gruesome act. A big man do them something, you see me? So for sure you, and he's a young youth and do that one. So what the world really are gone to, I go to. The man, baby mother too, you know, people. For sure you all gruesome him is, you know. He's a nice looking girl too, you know. All of that could have all of that could have talk over. You see me? For me could hear a prettier than I say, yeah, man.
You lead to murder every time, not one time, you know, every time. Anytime we have a toxic relationship like that, every one of them relationship, the way you see people grab machete and knife and a taboo, they one another in a relationship. A toxicness that I want this up. Because you are your supposed to be in no kind of altercation at all. Like you for things that you for go grab a knife, a gun, a machete, not even a stone. Me all wife myself that become true a stone off of my wife already. Could have killed the blood clot girl. Could have killed the girl. Enough time come you get for me nerves. After me got jail. How will me do? Look on the blood clot top bunk. I remember say me not like them sausage there. And then salami they ever sour. You feel me I deal with? I'm always I remember say when we bex right now, 3 fucking hours later me and Camila again. 2 hours later, 1 hour later that me and him got down in our one another neck back and ears hole. And I suck off one another lip. And ears jump. Oh, I love you so much. So at the end of the day, what do you realize, you know? Say, after you know, Batman, Saddamite, when time you not done do all of that, you now go, baby, I didn't mean none of that. I didn't say that. All of that, I go come back to write this. So the knife, the machete, and the stone don't make no sense. Because 10 out of 10 times I see him, somebody a compare him. Just so one time you see a man even kick up and do this till the first time, look on him like a fucking madman. This man go and kill you. Always look on it that way there. Look on it, say, yo, you see check up here and go so. This is a murderer that. This guy is a murderer, lock up that. Prison him bumbo clot because this man is a murderer. If you don't put a stoppage to it as a woman, him as the man. Jesus Christ. No, so something did have a blood clot reach me in idea and all of my blood clot something them went up. What kind of cross is this? Not you, Rian. You never say you are crosses. You say, you know, probably me are the crosses. I mean, let you drive this because you're Rian. You don't know what's the more than fall, isn't it? Not you, me, Jesus. You see me, just stay up. We fucked up, you right? You get it? Sorry. You have to put a stoppage to this as a woman. Say, yo, looking at yourself as a woman and say, yo, listen, love the money, you know. Love the money, you know. Alright. More than see a future for me and him, but he and them. Him and them, he and them, he and them. You, just like any dog, train him. You see this little girl that will lose her life, you know this girl that not live no life yet. Sorry, babes, me tell you that straight. Oh no, you not live no life, baby girl. You look at daughter, need you more than ever right now. You understand me? And her own father kill you. No, look what you did. You ruined this little girl life by taking away her parents. You as the father, to show you how stupid you are. When you kill the mother and you are rotting in prison, what is the outcome of this little girl? She's an orphan. She is going to be an orphan because mommy dead and daddy in prison. You make that decision as a man. That's what I tell you. I too much on our boys out here. I be a boys because men don't do things like that, you know. Men. That is a boy activity. You are a child. You understand me? Man not do them the good something. You're not firm in yourself as a man youth. You fit dead a prison. You see me? Me not see no man who firm in themselves like this. Killing baby mother. Him a 20, you know. They have one little girl, you know. Killing baby. This don't make no bumbleclad sense. And the women, as I tell you now, the first box, the first shoe, the first drink, look at him like a mad fucking man. This your man here, I go kill you. You see the first drape him, you? Hey, girl. Hey, bitch. Just, mama, look at him like a mad blood clot man. Look at him like no woman has ever looked at him before. What do you look at that, the waist man there? Look here, say, these guys. You feel look at him and I say, yo, who yes man? You feel look at him so crazy. You feel say, yo. How we are do? How we are really a try for do? Come on, go down the lane there, you know. Cause that lane, that dead lane. Me don't go down the lane there. Say, see if we ever go down the lane there, Papa, I bet you breeze me, rest me. Go find the girl like that. Cause you see that girl not like that. From once you feel like, my father never raised him man to me, so no pussy. That you tell boy beat me. And this is a fact. My daddy never raised him blood clad unto me as a no boy. And no girl to me bumbucklad skin. You feel me? You don't touch me. I'm gonna touch you, make sure I fuck me. You feel me? I do it now. Hey. I like it rough in the bedroom and that's alone you think you make with the fucker. Don't bother with the fucker. If you know what's in my life, rough fuck. Yeah, keep it in my bedroom. Cause me uncle like choking until you're fucking up. Don't bother come choke me and call for like you want to murder me. Don't put your bumbucklad from hey boy. Relationship no come with beating, and if it ever come with beating, make the boy go on about him blood clot business. No man no work lick. Any boy where I put him hand on your mama, him coulda I can't shoot him cute so. I can't risk fuck money cause money can blood clot bring you back to life. Not all. Remember say Tina beat hike. Mama couldn't take it no more. And lucky she lucky I never kill she. Say I take Tina couldn't take it no more and beat him bumbucklad. In the back of one blood clot limousine. No joke, no in that. You hear me I tell you? No joke, no in that a blood clot. So you see if a boy want to play a boxing ring with you, tell him to go join UFC. Tell the boy that to go join UFC when time. You see a boy I deal with the mama any kind of way and I deal with her and I diss up that. I see him so I'm going to beat and diss up you. Boy, I tend to treat you like how they treat their mama, you know. If you fight, me not tell you about no mama's boy will live on their mama clitoris like one bumbucklad pad. Me a talk about boy who love their mother who no want to see no. If you touch my mother, me murder you. Them the boy they are going to value you because you see, if you lick his mother, he will kill you. So him not going to ever try to put him on by you, bad man. You see me I deal with? No time. No time. You see me not tell you about no bubble boy, me I tell you you about some boy who we bust him gun for him mother. I see him saying we bust him gun for you too, mama. You see me? If a boy touch your road, if a boy touch your road at dirt, so all your real man for your dirt, you. The man will fuck you in your hole and you tell him, say, this your pussy. I love you. Yes, daddy. And daddy, I go kill you. You mad? You mad? You can't make daddy kill you, man. Daddy, if he love you, make sure say nothing I do your road. And boy, I'll talk to you tough road. Pussy. You will get your face bust. Just know how you talk to my woman, my friend. You can reason with me anyhow you are reason, my friend. But know you're the woman coming.